station at the base. He's one of the best low masters I ever had.
Hey, cuz. Back to my camera.
And at the base, he's one of the best low masters I ever had.
Hey, cuz.
Sorry, that's not the right timing. I need to say used to. What happened? And then you say that line. That makes
Oh.
sense, right? Okay. Sorry.
Okay.
All right.
And action.
Used to. What happened?
John Micheal. Let's try that one more time. Turn your radios up as loud as you can.
And then it's John Michael's line.
John Micheal used to be. No.
So it's your line first,
Yeah.
and then I say used to. What happened?
Yeah.
But you have to start yours a bit earlier, right?
Yeah, we can do it before we.
Oh, so
Why don't we start with
John Micheal?
John Micheal is the best load master. Here we go. And action. John Micheal used to be stationed at the base. He's one of the best load masters I ever had. No,
And then Kat says her line.
no, we don't need.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. So just do it!